I love entertaining for the holidays, and it's a good thing too because we always end up at my house. I always set the dining room table. Nobody ever wants to go there. They want to hang out in the kitchen. So this year, I decided to try something different. I went to HomeSense because I knew I needed a lot of stuff and I wanted to be inspired, and I thought I'll come up with a scheme when I get there. I decided we'll set up a buffet in the kitchen. People will help themselves and go sit anywhere. Those will look good on my counter. $9.99, can't go wrong. I paired them with pillar candles in the same color, and I can see myself using these all year round. Then I thought, well, this is a great start for a color scheme. All we need is a little sparkle. Oh, these are fun. They're like little votives with little sparklies in them. I found balls, I found trees. Nice. These great little reindeer, aren't they cute? I think I need some more Christmas. Oh, these are great. My mom's doing silver. Maybe I should get something for my mom. These are cute. Nice, clean, white trees. I like these. These are great. Deer with gold antlers. I've got to fit them in so that they're nice and cozy in there. I had a really good time at HomeSense. I love going there because you never know what you're going to find. And that's a good thing because it forces you to be creative, and they're always a bargain. So let's talk about some great tips for setting up a buffet in the kitchen. When you're coming up with a scheme, think of one moment of pure drama. And in this case, it was this bowl. I'm using it to chill champagne and white wine, but you could use it for punch or even flowers. $39, can you believe it? I love this. Serve right off the stove. Why not? It's so cool to have a dressy event in a casual manner in a kitchen setting. Love that. Keep your color scheme simple, 3 colors. In this case, it was really just green, gold, and amber. I rolled my flatware in linen napkins that I found at HomeSense and just piled them up to make it easy for guests to pick them up. I mixed in some of my vintage china with some new gold room china that I also found at HomeSense. Keep your candles and your flowers low. Like this is the perfect size for flowers so you can see over them. Here's a help yourself wine bar. There's our dessert table with little votives. And here's a trick, forget white candles. This time of year, you should be using black or brown in your gold votives because it looks better. Use your oils and vinegars like accessories. How beautiful is this? Just make sure you keep the bottles nice and clean. I found wooden Christmas trees. They're kind of like modern country. I bought 4, so I have my own little grove. And I kept things not too sparkly, which I think is beautiful. We added some flowers to this end. I've used every part of the kitchen. And these are cute, these little slate boards, so I can name the cheeses and my guests will know what they're eating. How do you spell camembert? Add your gems, your jellies, your fruit, but doesn't this look inviting? Now I'm never going to get them to leave the kitchen. I'm lucky, I have lots of room and I can buy big things. But the same rules apply to small space entertaining. Use the surfaces you already have. Clear off a dresser, set up a bar, clear off a coffee table. And if you're short of horizontal space, look at vertical space. Take down your art, put up a wreath. Christmas-related artistic things up on the wall can make a big statement. And if you're trying to make a small space look bolder for entertaining, go with a bolder palette. Go with magenta, go with teal, go with strong hot colors, jewel tones. Keep your focus tight, decide what you're doing. If you're having a cocktail party, have the best cocktails. If you're having a dessert event, have a dessert table, nothing else. Great wine, that's all you need. Or champagne. Champagne's always right.